Hi, this is Adam Hewison. I'm coming to you, as always, from the digital studios of Market Club, and we're looking at a market that we haven't looked at recently, but I saw this actually yesterday. I wanted to bring it to your attention, and given today's action, I think it's even more important. So we're looking at Amazon. AMZN is the symbol, and it's obviously Amazon sells books, sells practically everything, also sells the Kindle, which is an e-book reader. And I thought the market action was very, very interesting. So I want to show you, this is a daily chart we're looking at. It's a close-only chart. It could be a high-low close chart, but we're just on a close-only. And I want to show you this. I think it's pretty important. So I'm going to take everything off the screen right now. I'm also going to use our trendline tool, which is right here. And I'm going to draw from here. We're going from this point back in November 20th, 2008. And I'm going to go all the way through to this point right here. And as we've said before, you know how we look at these trend lines and how important it is to have 3 points that touch perfectly. And this is exactly what we have. We've had the breakthrough today. The market's trading about 112.37. We're doing this live during the trading session. This is a very significant breakout. You're talking about a period of almost over 18 months. So this is an 18-month trend line. In fact, if we go back to November, you can count November, December, all of 2009. That's 14 months, and we're in June. So you could say this is a 20-month trend line, and it's just been broken this morning. Very significant. So what does that mean on the downside for Amazon? Well, there's a couple of things that are happening, which are, some are non-technical. One would be the iPad, which came out with a very powerful technology for reading books, which is far superior to the Kindle, and that could certainly eat into Kindle sales as well as the electronic book sales that Amazon's making. So let's just take everything off the screen and let's look at this, some of the other tools we use to measure the downside. So I'll take this off the screen and we'll look at our Fibonacci tool, which we've done lessons on. You know how we show you this. From the top, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom right here. And as you can see, based on these numbers, we're going to be looking for Amazon to trade down to the 106 level, which is a 38% retracement right here, which is a 50%, which is 92.47, and 78.92, which is a 61.8 return. So having said that, what we can see on the downside is if we measure from this point here to this point here, sort of 1, 2, 3 squares, and sort of go down 3 squares and go 1, 2, 3 squares, takes us down very close to this area of 92.47. So that certainly would be an early target. But this market, the Amazon's put in a huge top, in my opinion. This is a major top in Amazon. We've just, we've pushed the market down to its lowest levels since last November, and that's significant. We've broken a long-term trend line, which is right here, and we've got some Fibonacci retracement. So I wanted to bring this to your attention. Amazon does not look good. It looks like the major trend is down. If we just take everything off the screen and just put in our monthly and weekly triangles, we see we have a 90 reading, minus 90, which is very negative. And you can see where we had our weekly and monthly triangles come in. So this is Adam Hewison for Market Club. Thanks for stopping by. Every success in the market.